Hello, good morning. This is your teacher Richard saying mabuhay and good morning. Our lesson for today is all about addition of simple fraction and mixed fraction. Our objectives, we have three objectives. We have one, add simple fractions without regrouping. And then number two is to add simple fractions with regrouping. And number three is add fractions and mix numbers with regrouping. Adding similar fraction. So to add similar fractions, add the numerator. So we have here 1/10 plus 2/10. So we have the same denominator. We have 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then number 2 steps is copy the same denominator, which is 10. So the answer is 3/10. Now, on the second example, we have 3/4 plus 1/4. Again, we have the same denominator, 4. All we have to do is to add the numerator, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Then copy the same denominator, 4. So, take note that if a fraction having the same numerator and denominator, that is equal to 1. Okay? So, that is why 4/4 is equal to 1 or 1. Adding simple fraction. We have here a problem. We can mix 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of flour because she wants to make a cookies. How many cup of mixture will she produce? Given 1/4 cup and 1/2 cup, what is being asked is a cup of mixture being produced, and the procedure is addition. Equation, we have 1/4 plus 1/2 is equal to n. Solution, first is to find the LCD or the LCM of the denominator. Your LCM will become your LCD or the least common denominator. Using the listing method, we have here 2, the denominator of 1/2, and 4, the denominator of 1/4. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. And the common multiples among all of these is or are 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. But the least among all of that multiples is 4. So our LCD is 4. So write 4. Then divide 4 to find the missing numerators. Divide the LCD, which is 4, by the denominator of the given fraction. Okay? 4 divided by 2. And the next procedure is multiply the quotient by the numerator. 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Then 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So now we have now 2/4 plus 1/4. We add 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then copy the same denominator, 4. So the answer is 3/4. Adding simple fractions with regrouping in the sum. The science club members spent 3/4 and 1/3 hour fixing the bird feeder. How many hours did they spend for these activities? 3/4 and 1/3 hour. What is being asked is hours spent for the activity. And the procedure is addition, and your equation will be 3/4 plus 1/3 is equal to n. Number 1 solution is find the LCD or the LCM of the denominator again. Using the listing method, we have the denominator 4 and 3. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. And the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. And we have to find the common multiples of 4 and 3. Common multiples of 4 and 3 are 12 and 24. And the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So we use 12 as our LCD. Then, number 1 step, find the least common denominator. We now find the LCD, which is 12. Number 2 step, find the missing numerators. To find the missing numerators, divide the LCD, which is 12, by the denominator of a given fraction, which is 3/4. Then 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Then multiply the quotient with our numerator 3. Then, so 4 divided by 12, 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 1 is 4. We have now 9/12 plus 4/12. Okay? So, write the equivalent forms. The equivalent forms of 3/4 is 9/12. The equivalent forms of 1/3 is 4/12. 9/12 plus 4/12 is equal to 13/12. So 13/12 is a mixed number, improper fraction. To write your answer, you have to write your answer in mixed number because we don't have an answer which is an improper fraction in addition of fraction. Okay? So 13/12 or that is equal to 1 and 1/12. How do we get 1 and 1/12? I will show you. Number 1, find the least common denominator. Yung kanina po yan. And then number 4 is rename the fraction. How can we rename? 13/12 is equal to 1 and 1/12 hours. So all we have to do is to divide 13 with our denominator or numerator with our denominator, which is 12. 13 divided by 12 is 1. 1 times 12 is 12. Then subtract. 13 minus 12 is equal to 1. Then follow the arrow. We have here 1. Our answer, 1. That is your whole number. And your remainder will become your numerator, which is 1, and your divisor will become your denominator. So our answer is 1 and 1/12. Another example is 3/5 plus 3/4. First, we have to find the LCD of 5 and 4. The LCD of 5 and 4 is 20. So we write here 20. We write here 20. Then divide the LCD with the denominator of the given fraction. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Then multiply the quotient with your numerator, which is 3. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 20 divided by 4 is 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So the equivalent form of 3/5 is equal to 12/20. And the equivalent form of 3/4 is 15/20. Let us add 12/20 plus 15/20, that is equal to 27/20. Again, we have an answer which is an improper fraction. We have to divide 27 divided by 20 is equal to 1. 1 times 20 is equal to 7. Okay? So we have now our whole number, which is our answer, which is 1, which is now will become our whole number, and our denominator will become your numerator, and your divisor will become your denominator. So 27, 20, or 1 and 7, 20. So that's all for today. Hope that you learn, and this is your teacher again saying thank you and mabuhay.